Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong machine. Today we are sending our 2 units of fully automatic pellet burner to our local market. This line, including 2 units of fully automatic pellet burner and a double screw silo, the fitting conveyors. And this one is an 4.8 million kilocalories pellet burner. It is used for an 4-ton steam boiler. And over here is an 9 million full automatic pellet burner. And this pellet burner will be used for 10-ton steam boiler. Okay, everyone, if you like Longze brand pellet burner system, please send your inquiry to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.